Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 435D M Sport Gran Coupe in Alpine White. So alongside that fantastic exterior colour, you will of course see we've added a full Your Next Car and Performance body styling kit to the vehicle. Alongside that, to further enhance that very nice exterior, we've added a set of the 19-inch BMW 442M alloy wheels, which we've just had professionally refurbished in the bi-colour jet black. Situated just behind those wheels, you will see the M Sport Plus brakes, and on this 435D, that does mean we've got the full BMW M Sport Plus package. The car itself is a 2017 17 plate and does come very nicely spec'd, and we shall of course take a further look into all of the options very shortly. Down the side of the car, we've got the BMW gloss black air breathers alongside our satin side vinyls, matching sidebars and YNC Mperformance decals. On the rear windows, you do get the sun protection glazing as part of that M Sport Plus package, and all of the additions we've made really do look very nice on the Alpine White. The interior is a very nice contrasting coral red Dakota leather, which works really nicely with that exterior colour, and again is all exceptionally clean and tidy. Also comes in the front with the electric movement, memory and heated seat options as well. You do of course get the fantastic 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and of course to keep all of that huge amount of power and torque in check, you do get the sophisticated X-Drive 4-wheel drive system. You'll see there also the Harman Kardon surround sound. In the back we have a very nice Isofix 3-seat rear bench, central folding armrest, and again working nicely with that lighter interior is the darkened M Sport headlining. Again, before heading to the very rear of the car, we'll show you off those freshly refurbished alloys. 4 brand new tyres on the car as well, and of course shining their way through nicely are the blue M Sport Plus brakes. At the back we've gone for a carbon fibre style rear boot spoiler and a high gloss rear diffuser. We've also got a rear facing reversing camera on this 4 Series, and I'll show you that shortly. On the Gran Coupe variant of the 4 Series, it's a very large boot, and you can make that even bigger thanks to the fact you do get split folding seats, along with you can take out both bottom and top partial shelves. Round onto the other side of the car, again with being a very clean and tidy example, the Alpine White really does stand out nicely with those additions we've made here. And we'll give you one last look at these wheels before I head on inside the vehicle to of course run you through the options and features of this very nice 435D. So once we're sat comfortably inside the vehicle, I'll show you straight away the professional wide navigation and media screen the car comes equipped with, and I'll just run yourselves through a couple of the features of that. Starting with the navigation, which uses real-time traffic updates to keep you on the fastest route possible. It's also got both Bluetooth telephone and audio, along with the internet hotspot option as well. In terms of the multimedia, you'll see there you've got DAB along with music collection, AUX, CD, DVD input along with USB, and we've of course already spoken about the Bluetooth input as well. Heading back to the main menu, in just 1 second I'll go across and show you the service requirements and service history for the car, not before showing you off the very nice dual climate control, which is of course where you find the switches for the heated seats. And again, another thing in terms of connectivity, to keep your USB free slot, maybe for a passenger or of course for another device, this vehicle comes with a wireless charging dock. So place your device in this cradle, and of course you can see there it's charging up nicely. Pop that away, simply close the lid and forget about it, because you can stream music or calls via Bluetooth obviously. The car itself's covered just over 43,000 miles. We've spoken about the fantastic X-Drive alongside the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. Also has cruise control, a speed limiter function, voice and volume controls as well. Going through into the vehicle service status screen, you can see there everything's highlighted in green. The next service is due in 6,000 miles time, and we've got BMW service history as well, as you can see again all there now on that widescreen. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this walk around video. Hopefully you've been able to enjoy it and found it useful. And of course, if you do want to get in touch with us here at Your Next Car, you'll always find all of the contact information and website links in the description. But of course, if you do want to stay up to date with all of our latest and newest stock here, the best way to do that is remember to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell icon, and that way every time we post a video here on the YouTube channel, you'll be notified. So thank you again for watching this video, and I will hopefully see yourselves very, very soon. Take care and goodbye.